Hi, Kevin here. In this video I'll show you how I made this custom Tama SHREDTHEGNAR badge for a client's replica Tama Bell brass build. First, a quick backstory on how this project came to be. Last year I restored a Yamaha SD493 and accidentally ruined the badge in the process. You can find that video linked in the description below. I spent a lot of time and effort figuring out how to recreate that badge, which turned out looking almost identical to the original. A viewer then commented on that video asking me if I could make him a badge for his project drum. He didn't like the idea of using a real Tama badge on a replica, so he wanted a replica of a superstar badge that instead said "Shred the Gnar" because, quote, "I know it's stupid, but it makes me laugh." I started by first finding a good reference badge to edit into a cleaned up black and white image. I had to create the letters H, D, G, and N by transforming existing letters or taking them from other Tama badges. I then put the image into Inkscape so that I could vectorize the image to get perfectly smooth lines and further refine the image. Luckily, the client had an original badge to use as a measurement reference, so I was able to scale it to exactly the correct size. I don't have much experience using image editing software, so getting the image right took up most of the time I spent on this project. Now that we have the image made, sit back and watch the rest of the process. Thanks for watching.